Hey guys, welcome back to the shop. Today on Tip Tuesday, I've got a really simple tip that most of us tend to forget. Table saw tune-up. Now, most of us using our tools just tend to run in the shop, use them, do what we need to do really quick and just keep moving. But it's very important to make sure everything is working well, greased up if you've got joints like that, belts, make sure they're not torn, all sorts of things. And I could go over a bunch of different things, but one of my buddies here on YouTube has already made a video talking about tuning up your table saw. I'm going to link that in the description of this video. You can go check that out. And my tip for you today is just to make sure all of your tools, all your machines are working in good condition, because if they're working in good condition, you're going to have better results with all your tools. Thanks for watching this video. I'll see you next time.